there's a spring-loaded clip in there that holds the wheel on. It's a metal spring, and I believe we can see it through that little slit. There's only one slit on the side here. Properly mutilated this one, and this is what the spring looks like. I'm going to take the screwdriver. I'm going to try to pry apart and pull it off. Okay, let's try reinsertion. These ones are fairly similar. They have a larger diameter cap thing, and somehow the wheels are terrible because both of these wheels are splitting. There's like what looks like an injection molding site, and that is the placement for a spring deal. So I'm drilling it in at an angle here. Okay. You can see a little metal thing there. That's the edge. Maybe I need to drill a little more. Okay,